Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Audi A1 1 litre TFSI 30 Sport Sportback. Now this vehicle is currently on 31,848 miles and it's finished in the colour Manhattan Grey. Now this A1 does come with 2 independent services. It's a very stylish hatchback. You do have your A1 30 TFSI badge in here on the tailgate. It does come with the 16-inch alloy wheels. You do have your LED headlights which light up the road nicely. These pair up with your rear LED lights as well. And this A1 does also have power folding door mirrors. Here in the boot you'll find 335 litres of boot space, which can be increased to a whopping 1,090 with the seats down. You also have the adjustable false boot floor with additional storage underneath. Take a look inside to the vehicle now. You do have your gorgeous cloth interior. It's a very stylish pattern in the centre of these seats. You also have your ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Take a look inside now. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You've got a very stylish, sleek dashboard. Here you have your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. You do have your multifunction steering wheel here inside with controls for your virtual cockpit. You can see your trip information on here and even access your additional menus, which include your radio and phone. It's a very stylish feature. Here in the centre you have your touchscreen infotainment system, which provides you access to DAB, FM and AM radio, as well as the options for your own source of audio with USB, SD input, as well as Bluetooth as well. Your Bluetooth telephone, where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, keeping you up to date with whatever you need to. There's even access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here you have your vehicle information. You've got access to your Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes to change how the vehicle performs and handles. You can also access features including your driver assist. You do have the Audi Presense as well as your lane departure warning, which will alert you when you're drifting out of your lane. It's a super smart and safe vehicle, and this system here is very easy to use. You do have your air conditioning here, so you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool very easily. You also find your 12-volt socket, 2 USB ports, and heaps of storage there.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.